phonics, we have sound A, okay? A-I, okay? A-I. So, A-I. Let me just write it again. Just rewrite it again. A-I makes the sound A. Say again. A. A. Sail. 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 Now you see the sail over here, so we have it like this. Like that, right? So the sail is like that. And then it goes up and then down and down like that. Sail. Sail. This is the sail. Okay? Sail. 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 And look at this. Bait. Bait. So we have a worm here. We have a worm here. Okay? So we've got a worm over here. Worm. It goes around and round. So the worm is like that. And it's got two eyes. The worm. Bait. Bait. You say bait. 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 All right. And then we've got the word rain. Rain. So the rain is like this. So we have whoop, 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 whoop. And this is the cloud. And then we have rain. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Rain. Rain. Okay, let's read again. Let's reread again. Come on. Let's read it again. Repeat. Sail. Sail. Bait. Bait. Rain. Rain. Sail. Sail. Bait. Bait. Rain. Rain. Okay, let's do it slowly, okay? Sail. Sail. Together. Sail. Sail. Very good. Sail. Sail. Okay, quickly. Sail. 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 Put your fingers like this, two together. 1, 2, 3. Sail.